Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So your girl is slowly but surely getting back into a routine of posting consistent content. You know, I didn't start until February, so I took all of January off, if you guys did not know. And so I'm slowly but surely trying to get back to the comments. I thank you guys so much for those that have missed me, have welcomed me back. You know, I'm just so excited to be back, guys. And of course, your girl had to bring you this fire unit right here. Like, let's just jump into the hair, okay? So this unit is courtesy of LUVME hair. They were kind enough to send your girl this gorgeous unit. This is not the first time that I've worked with them before, but I believe this is my favorite unit from them. I believe the first unit was a shorter curly unit, and so this is a chestnut unit. Okay, so let me give you guys all the deets. So first off, let me tell you guys that this is part one of a two-part video. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys this unit in this video, all of the deets on this unit, as well as showing you guys how I installed this unit and customized it to my liking. But what I will not be showing you guys in this video is how I installed the unit using 3 new products, or technically it's 2 new products, but I received 3 products. And so basically I received a wig bond glue and a primer, and then also a wig remover, a wig spray remover. So I'm actually going to be trying the products out while I'm rocking this unit right here, and then when I get ready to remove the unit, I'm going to come back and do like a final review on the products as well as this hair right here, because this is just more like my initial review of the hair. So this unit is courtesy of LUVME hair. They were kind enough to send your girl this gorgeous unit right here. This is their chestnut brown color, 180% density, 13 by 4 inch glueless lace frontal wig. Lace wig. And so I have it in the inches 20 inches, so 20 inches. I do believe that it is true to length. It falls right under my bra strap, and it currently retails for $269.90. So I do feel like this unit did come pre-plucked. However, I do feel like if you wanted to pluck it more, you could have. I did choose to pluck it, but literally I only plucked it on one side. So I plucked it on this side just because I knew I wanted to do a right side part, and I just wanted this to look a little bit more natural. But one thing, I hate plucking units when they're on my head because I feel like it takes more time. I can't really see because I wear glasses, y'all. I wear glasses now. So yeah, I tend to not like to pluck, you know, units on my head. So I was like, I'm not even sure if this was enough plucking, but I do like the final look of it. I do feel like it looks, you know, natural. So next up, I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit. I think that it bleached very well. I was bleaching this unit along with 2 other units, so I was trying to hurry up so that I wouldn't, you know, dye the actual hair, and I think I did very well because it's not blonde or anything like that. The lace looks absolutely gorgeous. I think that once I added my foundation underneath it, it just blended flawlessly with your girl's skin tone. So the foundation that I use on my wig is the L'Oreal foundation, but I use Juvia's Place on my face today. So I think that it's still giving off a very natural, realistic vibe, so I'm loving that. So I also love the fact that it did come with adjustable straps as well as 4 combs in the inside and an elastic band. However, let me tell y'all about this elastic band. So I put the elastic band on, and maybe I don't think I put the elastic band on correctly, because I slid the elastic band up top and probably it should have been down below, but I didn't realize that until I'd already started to lay the adhesive to glue the unit on my head, and it kept pulling. So therefore my edges wouldn't lay down because the elastic band was pulling, and I was not about to take this whole wig off and adjust these straps, so I cut off the elastic band. So luckily I don't usually use elastic bands anyway, so it wasn't a big deal for me. But if you like to use elastic bands, you can definitely make this a glueless unit. I particularly don't like to wear glueless units. I like to go ahead and, you know, melt that thing down. I did decide to go ahead and do the ball cap method this time, which I don't tend to do all the time, but I need my edges to be protected because my edges is going through it a little bit right now. Hair is down my back, okay? Hair is about a good maybe 24 inches now. My natural hair is about 24 inches, but yeah, I'm taking a little bit of a beating. I was already edge challenged, so yeah, I was like, let me go ahead and do the ball cap method so that, you know, I can protect my edges and stuff. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. So yeah, my final thoughts about this hair is I think that it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it's a dark chestnut colored unit. I wasn't sure if it was gonna, you know, clash with my skin tone or what, but I think that it looks gorgeous. I love the fact that it does have dark roots and then it goes down into the chestnut color, so it's a smooth transition. The hair feels absolutely soft and gorgeous. I love the fact that it did come pre-curled, but you know, once you start to bleach knots and pluck it, like the curls were definitely gonna fall out. So that's why I went ahead and added some curls in for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to stay tuned to part 2 of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit, this install, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
We'll be right back.